$2,500, $4,500 on my account. $7,600. Guys, use my personal promo code CASH50 and get additional 50% to your initial deposit of at least $150. Just imagine you can invest $1,000 and get $1,500 above your deposit. Do this right now and let's fuck this market. Guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I'd like to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. My friends, so today, as always, I'm going to use several indicators. First of all, zigzag, together with fractal analysis, and MACD. Now I'm setting them, just give me several seconds while I'm doing this. Maybe I would add something more. Let's add Quotex. It will be quite nice. Okay guys, so what do we have? For now I'm going to open the first position. This will be the sell position, as you can see. Price is showing us the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle. For us it's a strong signal that we are highly likely to go down. So that's why we have invested our $5 in this trade. And as always, we are using only short time period of just 1 minute, and we're investing our whole deposit in each trade so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. So just look at this, we're showing a very good impulse movement. We are going down quite significantly. Previous bearish candle was fantastic, really, because we have made the full consumption of the previous bullish candle, and now we're going down without any problems. Fine, perfectly done, guys. So we have made one profitable trade for now. Now just give me some time to analyze the markets and find the best currency pairs that we are going to trade for today. So let's change our investment and open buy position. As you can see, price has hit a strong level of support, which is zigzag line. Sellers don't have enough power to break through it, and according to the MACD, price now in the buy position. So that's why we have invested our money and opened buy position in that case. Now we are just waiting for the pullback reaction, and as you can see, price is showing it to us, and at least we will get the short-term upgoing correction during this period. So let's try on this and get our cash from this trade. So we have around $185. That's quite good. Well, now we have changed our investments, and I'm going to open one more buy position. According to the current market structure, we are in the upgoing channel, which was followed by one short-term downgoing correction. That's why now I expect the continuation of the current upgoing trend, the new wave of the growth, and that's why I have opened buy position in continuation of this movement. According to the MACD indicator, we are also in the buy zone, which is giving us additional confirmation for the buy position. Yes, you can clearly see, according to the MACD, that we are going to grow. So now we're showing the bullish consumption of the previous bearish candle, and price is growing, and we got our cash from this trade. So now we have around $350 on the account. That's quite nice, that's quite good. Let's continue. Well guys, now let's open the next trade. We're changing our investments, and let's open sell position, because as you can see, price now is in the downgoing trend. We're testing the second time the support line zone, and we're highly likely to break through it. Sellers have enough power to do this. According to the MACD, we are strongly in the sell zone. Quotex is saying us the same shit together with zigzag, so everything is telling us that we are going to drop. Of course, we have opened sell position without any other thoughts. So that's it. Now let's just relax and wait until we get our cash from this trade. Perfectly done, guys. One more profitable trade. We're pumping our deposit as fast as possible. We have around $600 on the account, $679 to be more exact. Let's change our investment to $679 and think about the next positions that we are going to open. We have open sell position here, expecting the breakthrough of the current support line zone. As in the previous trade, we have the same kind of situation. We have tested 2 times already this support line zone, and now the 3rd time when we're doing this. And as you can see, sellers have just broken through the support line zone, and we have received a lot of liquidity. We have gathered it, and now with help of it we are going to drop significantly as fuck. So we're doing this. MACD is telling us that we have more capacity for the drop, and according to the zigzag indicator we have it also. So that's why, as you can see, our entry point was amazing, and immediately as we opened it we started falling. So that's why you can be sure that I'm always giving you only exact trades, and I do the best trading ever. My friends, while you are watching how I make money, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private VIP channel, because here you'll find everything that will help you to become professional trader millionaire, just as me, as Michael Trader. So guys, one more time, subscribe to my private TG, get access to the VIP channel by writing me a message that you want to become VIP. I will automatically add you to it, and here you'll get access to the same kinds of online training sessions just like this, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day at the scheduled time. So don't waste your time, do this right now, it's absolutely free. I am waiting for you. Link in the description. Yep guys, so now while I was talking I have opened one more sell position here, one more, once again the same kind of situation. We're testing the support line zone the 2nd time. We are in the downgoing trend. According to the 3 indicators we are in the sell zone, so the only option we can we have is just to open sell position here, and we did it. So that's it. Now let's just wait and see what market will show us. I'm sure that I'm right, and we will be in profit here once again. And as you can see, we have just broken through the support line zone. We have made the new low, and price is dropping as fuck. So everything is going according to my plan, everything is fine, and we have just received money from this trade. So we have now around $2,500 in my account. That's quite nice. Let's check USD Mexican currency pair and change our investment to $2,500. I have opened buy position here, and I will explain you why. Because as you can clearly see, we are in the upgoing trend. It seems to be the upgoing correction, to be more exact, because price has touched the support line zone. We did not break through it, and we started showing pullback reaction from that zone, making the upgoing correction. So that's why I've opened buy position, expecting the continuation of this correction, and of course I would like to thrive in it. So that's it. Let's see what will we have here. I'm sure everything will be fine, and we will be in profit here. Wonderful guys, wonderful. One more profitable trade, and around $4,500 in my account. Perfectly done. $4,800. That's what I love, and still we need to do some more. First of all, let's change our investment to $3,000. We still have 1,800 left in the account. We have opened sell position here. Everything is very simple. Price has touched a strong level of resistance. we did not break through it and we started dropping. So that's why I have invested $3,000 here, and price is falling right now, showing us a pullback reaction from the resistance line zone. So now we're just waiting for the money to put them in our wallet. Perfectly done, my friends. We did it. We have around $7,600 in the account. Just look at this. We spent just around 10 minutes and we turned our deposit in $7,600. So we have multiplied significantly. It's pumped it as fuck, and all this was done just within several minutes. If you want to have the same result just like this, be a professional trader millionaire, be just like me, like Michael Trader, to be the best version of yourself, subscribe to my private TG right now. Link for it you can find in the description to this video. Do this right now and be with me. Thank you for your attention and have a nice and profitable day.